Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Perfect as a filling snack, quick breakfast on the go, or nutritious beverage. Smoothies are a healthy choice any time of the day. But smoothies are everywhere in the mall, at fast food restaurants, in coffee shop. But for the most part, those smoothies might be better termed as fruit milkshakes, stuffed with sugar, frozen yogurt, even ice cream. They do more harm than good. Healthy breakfast smoothies that are packed with all the protein, fruit, and veggies you need to power up your day. So, today I'm sharing my way of making those healthy smoothies. First thing you need is a very good quality blender. Please invest in a good quality blender. I'm using my Magic Bullet today. So the main ingredient for my smoothie is a yogurt. You can use regular whole milk yogurt, which you use for everyday cooking or gravies, or you can use flavored yogurt. I prefer to use Greek yogurt. It always thicker, and you can use any flavor. Today I have regular honey, vanilla, and then I have a berry one. And I pick up vanilla for my smoothie today. So I added my yogurt in my blender jug. So in this smoothie recipe, like yogurt, water, or juice, add in first to get the blender moving, then add lighter, drier ingredients like leafy greens, followed by the heavy ingredients like ice and frozen fruit pieces. Now it's time to add my greens. I use this baby kale mix package. You can use only spinach or only kale, but I prefer to use this package. It has some charred baby kale and spinach. So this package has all in one. So a handful of all those greens goes in my blender jug. So time to add my fruit in my smoothie. You can prepare your frozen fruit ahead to save up on time. Just cut and freeze on a baking sheet, then transfer to a freezer bag or in a container. When something is in a season, it packs the healthiest punch. Or you can buy this pre-packaged frozen fruit from a store. I buy those big bags from Costco or from Sam's. And this 3-berry blend with raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries is my all-time favorite. So a handful of frozen berries goes in my smoothie. So banana goes a long way. Peel, slice, and freeze them ahead. This go-to smoothie recipe ingredient add thickness without taking over the other flavors. And if it's a little overripe, that's perfect because that adds that sweetness in your smoothie, and I never add sweetener in my smoothies. Now our smoothie needs some liquid. You can add regular milk, almond milk, orange juice, or even water as well. And now it's time to add some fiber. I prefer to use chia seeds, and I use these organic chia seeds. What I did, I just blend the chia seeds and just date them and keep it in a little container. I use oats as well, so I just use regular oats, put it in my blender jug, just blend it and make the powder out of it, and then keep it in a container. Then I have these flax seeds. I found these ground flax seeds, so I use that as well. So here you can see my grounded oats, my chia seeds. I just label them, date them, and keep them in my pantry for my smoothies. So I just use a teaspoonful of chia seeds, flax seeds, and or my oatmeal. Today I'm just using chia seeds in my smoothie. Now it's time to blend everything. Just put the cover on, put it on the machine, start blending until you have a smooth smoothie mixture. Just shake in intervals, mix everything, and if your smoothie needs a little more liquid, you can add water, milk, or juice, and just mix until everything is completely chopped up and mixed together, and you have a very smooth mixture. You can make them ahead, put it in the fridge overnight, but once your smoothie has had its fridge soak time, you can check it to see if it's consistency you like and make the adjustments. Fruit can have different liquid content, and that can affect the consistency of your smoothie. Trying a cleanse, want to jumpstart your day, or need a post-workout treat? Healthy breakfast smoothies that are packed with all the protein, fruits, and veggies you need to power up your day. When recipes are as tasty as these healthy breakfast smoothies, eating right is a delight, not a chore. And if you make it at home, don't forget to take a picture, tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family. Click on the link to check my previous videos.